In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make someone a board owner in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team project, collaborating with clients, or scaling your internal workflows, assigning the right board owners is essential for keeping everything organized and secure. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can confidently update permissions in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific board where you want to assign a new owner. This is important because board ownership is managed individually per board. Once you're inside the correct board, head to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Invite or People icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens what's called the Subscribers panel, which shows everyone who currently has access to this board. Inside the Subscribers panel, you'll see a list of all users who are subscribed. Before you can make someone a board owner, they must already be subscribed to the board. So take a moment to check if the person you want to promote is on this list. If you don't see their name, click the Invite button and add them to the board first. You can invite team members by typing their name or email address, then confirming the invitation. Once they're successfully added and appear in the subscribers list, you're ready for the next step. Now, find the name of the person you want to make a board owner. Hover your mouse over their name. Next to their current role, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. This menu allows you to change their role on the board. From the available options, select Admin. In Monday.com, assigning someone as an admin on a board effectively makes them a board owner, giving them elevated permissions. After selecting Admin, the change is applied instantly. You should now see a small crown icon next to their name in the Subscribers panel. That crown icon indicates that the user is now a board owner. As a board owner, they can manage board structure, adjust settings, add or remove members, and make high-level changes. This is especially useful when you want to delegate responsibility or ensure there's more than one person who can manage the board in your absence. It's also a good practice to have at least 2 board owners for important projects. That way, if one person is unavailable, someone else can still manage permissions and settings without delays. Just be mindful about who you assign as an admin, since this role includes powerful controls over the board. And that's it. That's how you make someone a board owner in Monday.com quickly and easily. Open the board, access the Invite or People panel, make sure the user is subscribed, change their role to admin, and confirm the crown icon appears next to their name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.